G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, I believe from the Winton area. The backing parent stone is quite hard, so it should give you a good polish. Some of these should cut nice stones. It's quite a nice piece. This is bordering on matrix. Perhaps a little bit more grinding on here. Sorry, a bit more on here. You might get down to the colour layer or bar. Admittedly, they're small stones, but the price reflects it. They've all been left reasonably thick, so got enough backing there to give it strength. Hold the opal. Interesting piece with a pattern in it there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.